Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another recipe. Today I'm going to make chicken stew or chicken soup. So now here I have my chicken and my vegetable oil. I have my salt, black pepper, garlic, my tomato, green pepper, and my onion. Now I'm going to turn on the heat. I'm going to add some salt. My hand is clean. I'm going to mix everything together. Add my vegetable oil. I'm adding my chicken. Fry a little bit fine. Just a little bit fine. I'm adding my onion, my tomato, pepper, tomato paste, garlic, black pepper. Mix. Cover it. I have my seasoning cube and bay leaf, ginger powder. So guys, I'm going to add my water. My seasoning, I need more seasoning and salt. I need more water. So guys, my soup is done now. Look at this. So nice. Look at this. I have my white rice. If you enjoy watching this video, like and share. Subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.